What's up guys, Singh here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually use the free hard disk space on your PC as RAM. So yeah, your PC will be able to use that free space as RAM for the processes like opening and closing apps, making your games much more smoother. So yeah, I'm going to show you just that. So before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that this method will work on each and every Windows version and also each and every PC. Only requirement which you should fulfill is that you should have some amount of free hard disk space. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this.
Alright, so firstly what you have to do is go to your file manager, then click on this PC over here and go to properties. Now on this window you will see advanced system settings on the left hand side. Click on it and system properties windows will open. Now here you can see performance, go to settings, and now here you can see advanced, go to advanced, and now you can see virtual memory. Now click on change. Now as you can see here, by default it automatically manage paging file size for all device will be checked. You want to uncheck it, click on custom size and type how much RAM do you want. So it will deduct that much memory from your hard drive. So yeah, I will go with 2 gigabits, which is 2000. I will enter 2000, and maximum size you can enter as much as you want. I will go with 2000 here also. These values can be same even. Now go to set and then click on OK. Now you have to restart your computer after you set the values. So click on OK, go to apply, click on OK, and click on OK also. Now you will see this pop-up which will ask you to restart now, or you can also restart later. I will click on restart later, and the first thing which you have to know is that the value you will enter will not be reflected here on installed RAM. So yeah, it will still be used as a RAM, but it will not be reflected over here because it is not extra installed hardware. It's just a software which is doing all the stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will surely answer them. So yeah, talk to you guys in the next one.